Hi! Hello! Bam! Natagak ako since Hi, good morning. (9:20) Time check. Today is my day off. It's Saturday. And we're going to Orchard. We'll show you a nice place in Orchard. Wow! So, catch you later. Okay? Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Hi, we're going to show you Orchard, and now we're going
Say what?
to visit a nice place in Orchard. Bye, everybody.
Yeah. Hey, this that new, you know what I'm talking about. Yo. No, relax, bro.
From the street to the club, let's get it.
If you want to chill out right here, so nice.
Wow!
Good day. See? Look. Nawa ninyo unsa naka-organize, oh.
Wow!
Mabuhat mga diri, Brad. Bus. Yeah. Come on, hey, this that new, you know what I'm talking about. Yo. No. This is the Lucky Plaza, Orchard. This is the place that most of Filipino gather around here. Right behind me is the bus stop. Okay.
Filipino food. My wife wants to eat because she's hungry. Let's go down. Right after we eat.
Hi. Nga anong tani sa ilalom sa Lucky Plaza. Sayo pagkaayo. Papay abre. Amin na naman abre. Pero ang bitin na among kaunan sarado pa. Ay, sarado pa. Basta las kuwan. Oh, kuwan. No, it's okay. So we'll go to Tanglin Mall. And right now we will ride a bus. He wants to ride a bus. Say hi. Hi.
Hi, I need ride.
Grumpy, look at your face. Grumpy. Smile. This is Hello Kitty. Dili na card ba? Kanila yung gamito, no? Tap lang na siya. Ano na siya? Pak. Sa agin niya mo to. Wala, no? Ay, dire na siya. Ano? Abay ka na. Masang kita niya, no? Ano? Kaya siya. Oy. Yeah. Come on, hey, this that new, you know what I'm talking about. Yo. No. More. Good. Eating time. Yeah. Come on, hey, this that new, you know what I'm talking about. Yo. No, relax, bro.
From the street to the club, let's get it. From the islands in the Pacific, red ribbon, cake, let's get it. Who am I? Get low if you with it. Yeah, now gather round, up and down, in and out. It don't matter where you are.
Wow!
feature the Indian food here at Monding Mall. Ay, ito chicken curry soup, chicken mutton. It took my chips.
No.
It took it. We will eat now.
Shall we begin? Let's begin now.
Sa tanang nag-view, no? Salamat, no? 59 viewers. Sa to all my subscribers, thank you very much. Pinagdagan kayo, no? Pinagabok unom. Ay, maybe 11. Special mention kay Kuya Brian. Thank you, Kuya Brian. Diyan pa Cebu. Next time sa Cebu na po. Kaya rin nga po. Next time we're going to Cebu. Uman said, next time we're going to Davao City to explore, and he wants to see his grandfather Tony. He's my handsome father. They're very good. Very, very good. Hi! Karoon namin i-feature ang ice cream on the street. Ice cream on the street. Ice cream on the street. Kasi uso ni diri ka ng ice cream palaman ng pan. Ya, o sa biscuit. Dili sa biscuit. Wafer ba? Wafer. Wafer. But it turns us sa orchard room. Turns us orchard room. Turns us orchard room. Turns us orchard room. Baita, baita. Nice. Colorful, right? Wow! The flavor of this ice cream is durian. Unique, right?
So take off all your clothes.
I am getting so hot, I wanna take my clothes off.
Getting hot in here. So take off all your clothes.
I am getting so hot, I wanna take my
Kumo sa pagpakalma ang inyong amigo nga injik na ang pangalan kay Tan ang last. Ini kisa gulo. Ha? Mga amigo nga injik nga last name Tan. Easy Tan. Guro ini kayo. Are. Easy Tan, easy. Ha? Easy Tan. Easy. Kain ko ano? Takker may po. Wafer or bread?
Put your hands up. Put your hands up. Put your hands up.